Hello people on the internet. I am Monster Mother and I got her password by forget it. Let's see what she got. I don't know if she do a intro. I don't know how to intro. Let's go in her ACC. I will skip it. Monster is too scared of her ACC being hacked. Ew, what is this stuff? Look what she put on. It's hideous. Let go to her closet. What the? This is inappropriate. MSP, what are you doing with my child? My child is very behaved. When she didn't know the internet, I will make her beautiful like her mother. What is that? That is so ugly. I will puke. What the? My child is not a banana. MSP. Roses are red, violet or blue. God made me beautiful. What happened to you? What is this? My child shall not do this game. One will delete her account when the video is done. My child does not wear makeup, but the account is getting deleted, so it's okay. Sorry, I was making eggs. Let's go see her message. potato queen. What? You are not the potato queen, my child. Let delete her account. Oh my child is coming. I can't delete her account. Well, that is for today, guys. And I finally got the drippy.